Everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I have my very first diamond painting. You guys, oh my word. So I went ahead and filmed me doing this first painting and it was a hot mess express. So I don't know if it's because it was my very first time. I don't know if it was because I was trying to be too perfect with the little things. It took me forever and it was not... I did not enjoy it. Spoiler alert, I did not enjoy it. But I am determined to do all 12 of them. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my first one. I'm going to do a voiceover and kind of talk you through my frustrations, what I liked, what I didn't like. And yeah, so my first foray into diamond painting was not the best, but I picked up a new tool off of Amazon that's a bit thicker, maybe something I can hold on, a bit more substantial. It has different, you can do 4, 7, 10, whatever, little diamonds. And I hope that that will help tremendously because honestly, that was the biggest issue. My arm hurt all the way up and my grip just got to be non-existent. So first foray, not my favorite, but this turned out beautiful and I have zero regrets for purchasing them. I don't know how long it's going to take me to do all 12. So what I thought I'd do was in the first one, I would walk you through it, do a voiceover. You guys will have to let me know if you want to see me do it in real time. Maybe I can do that as like a Facebook Live or something and just chit chat with you guys while I get it done. And then, have a replay here over on YouTube. You guys will have to let me know what you want to see. Yeah, I saw one that has a monogram and I'm like, I kind of really like that, but it's big and I struggled with this little one. So we shall see. But anyway, spoiler alert, I didn't have the best time with it, but I loved how this turned out. So head over to my craft table, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will share with you my very first diamond painting. Okay, keeping it real here with you guys. This was really a struggle for me, probably more than I was anticipating. And I kind of went in this knowing that it would be a little tedious, but I just wasn't prepared for just how much it was. So the first thing I did was pick out one that I wanted to do, and I was really drawn to this kind of pinky rose, and it didn't look like it has as many colors as the other ones did. So, and you can see how small they are. They're 3x5, so they'll fit in a 5x7 frame if you mat it, and that's what I plan to do. I think I mentioned that I plan to put these in frames, and they're either going to go in my kitchen or they're going to go on the wall in my hallway between my dining room and my kitchen. I haven't really decided. And to be quite honest, I keep getting an ad for this other one that's so pretty. And I'm like, Misty, you've done one 3x5. You're going to have to give this a go. So my biggest issue was with the wax. So I could pick up wax with this side, but for the big side, it would not pick up. And I mean, this is later after I moved the plastic, but I could not get it to pick up any wax on that kind of bigger multi-placer. So that was a huge issue for me. My other issue is lining them up. And so these were squares. I didn't realize there's a difference. They're squares and round. Whew. The squares were not bueno. So I initially started just by pulling some down and like taping it back with washi tape because I didn't want to uncover the entirety of it all because I wasn't sure how much I was going to do. This ended up being right at an hour. So it took me right at an hour to get it all done. And here you can see I'm really struggling with that multi-placer. That I just could not get that to work. So getting them on straight was a huge issue. Seeing the letters was another issue. Even with my bifocals, I really struggled with being able to see what the letters were, what the colors were, etc. I will say though that it's really pretty. And what helps with these, and you can't see it on camera at all, is that the background is glitter. So this is like a glitter canvas. So it's really, really pretty, but again, so much of a pain. So I bought a new applicator thing from Amazon that is bigger. I need something with a bit more of a grip. And I'm not kidding you. By the time I was done, after an hour, my whole right arm was just dead. dead. It hurt so much and it was so dead. But in the end, I do like the way it looks, and I am going to finish the other 11, like I said I would, and I will try to remember to film those. That way you can watch them. Now, I don't know that I'll do any more voiceovers on them, because to me, that's just a little strange to talk for 18 minutes about me placing down something. So you guys will have to let me know what you think in the comments. But yeah, so a rocky start to diamond painting, but not something that I'm going to give up on just yet. So we'll see. But yeah, so I'm going to leave you to watch the rest of this. You guys, again, you'll have to let me know like what you want from this series going forward. I have 11 more. I can do 2 per video or whatever you think. I don't know how often I'm going to have time to actually get them done. That's the other thing I have to be concerned about. So anyway, I'm going to turn on some music. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any hints or tips or tricks, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'm at TheJollyFatElf. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you Friday for another card video. Bye for now.